hotel je nabateekamu 5 star. Tewali wano bonna ba promoter. None of them have ever put them in a 5 star. Tebasulanga ko mu 5 star.
Okay.
They don't even know what 5 star is. Oyo mwana yakese mu hotel ye nga tasobola kukozesa kakadi.
Mwana ki?
Era na Freak for maker. Gonzo was so happy. Wow, this place you put us bichi. Nena ngamba chimanyi Winnie aina problem ya agalanyo smoking weed. Awulite.
Otyo?
Nimugamba there's one thing. This is a 5-star hotel. Wali wakava America si checho. Sobola kunywera musia ne nababaninga smoking, even cigarette you cannot smoke in
Okay.
that hotel. And bagalamba yabye nzena bade nabasirikiride, now they want the truth. Awulite. Omwana laga you want weed? Nemuka yes. Agala omutu yena supplying ono mwana weed enemukole bubi, because here we have several type of class of weed.
But supplying ani Winnie Nwagi?
Yes. Namuletera. Kati namugamba, you know we cannot smoke here. Awulite. Let's go and smoke outside. Guess what? Winnie n'obunakyalo bwe na smoking mu hotel. Do you know how much it cost me to pay for that bill? Omuntu bwe nasasude 20 million nange mbulira kituufu Faruku bw'oba otya Katonda oli musajja musiraamu naye ndi mukazi musiraamu. Owulite? Nkuwadde 20 million osobola kuyimbira 20 minutes. Ngenda kugamba all the artists under Swangz not to get any visa coming here until I get paid.
What?
I'll work for that, yes. This is coming from me and I've already drafted that and I've already confirmed. I've already sent my email to Home Office. Until I get paid all my expenses. You hear me?
I can hear you.
I lost £50,000. I want 65,000.
From who?
Swangz.
From Swangz Avenue.
Yes. Fiki, Home Office yegenda kudealinga na Elwak boy. That's a street boy. Sina usisowa na kuogana na ye. Home Office yeja kuogana na ye.
What?
Will never come back in this country again.
Your contract is in between you and Swangz or you and Winnie Nwagi?
No, Winnie sirina na Winnie nakola contract ne Swangz kati gwenjagala. Right now I'm fighting Swangz.
Okay.
Let them get ready for my money. But I'm a warrior. Guess what? I'm from Tororo. I'm Jalwo. Olabye? We don't care. Even my work permit or to work permit is Mama Africa.
So, Mama Africa.
Yes, darling.
You get an Farouk from Kampala.
Yes, I know. That's why I called you.
Yeah, you organized the show. Soko tunyonyole bulungi what happened? Where later bafike UK or what happened? What really happened? Because I talked to Mosh.
Mama Africa, my work permit, young, me, Mama Africa work permit. Creative and what? And sports.
Okay.
Work permit is mine.
Yeah.
Nateka the application when? May. Actually, 30th of April. Ninteka ko yo mwana nafunira wo visa because yabada chali ku borderline. Nasoka nimbaleta in December. The Richmond we abaleta. Because yabada chali mu borderline of that 6 months. It's like DBS. Yeah? They're back running a check. They don't run your check. You get visa automatically. Katiya nafunira wo visa within 10 days.
Yeah, mpulira.
But within 10 days, or your one and atandika call appointment, and I need Mosh. Neza kulanga Mosha and Kubira. Fiki badanga de tinenda kubera manager we. Na already ngane manager wa fiki badde mutade ku application. Already. Nimuganda enzo mwana ngaba de tangamba tengo already aina manager ajana ye. I have all the passport. I'll send it to you.
Pulira.
So kati then oyo mwana kati we afuna visa na atandika are planning these events. They started planning this chill and grill long time ago. Once when that boy got the visa, invite was mine. Alimu work permit, my own work permit.
Okay.
Katinan kubiro yo fiki, but he wants to come. Nimuga, you cannot come ga. Winnie tana kufuna visa. Haruna tana kufuna visa, Gravity tana kufuna visa.
Okay.
Mpulira. Kutambulira wamu. Boba visa yaba netefulumye, you are not coming. omwana n'abeera so upset. Nemuga, I'm really sorry. I have the text message. Nemuga, you cannot travel unless I have all my 3 artists. Time nebeera running out. Omwana n'addamu ng'ankubira yaayagala kujja alina appointment ne mu Nigeria. Nemuga, what appointment, my dear? That's my work permit. Awulidde? Sisobola kukkiriza kujjira mu work permit yange ogenda omeeting omuntu omulala. Awulidde?
Mpulira.
I can never allow that. Omwana nga yetanga omwana nga asunguwala. Nemuga, you cannot be mad with me. Is my work permit is work. Is personal work. Me, I take my work. And let me tell you, Farouk, money is not a problem for Mama Africa. We have money. I can do that for it. Nga Mama Africa still Mama Africa is still around. We've been running business for 17 years. Maybe we've not been running in Uganda, but our business has been running around.
Okay.
Yeah? They don't want us in their business. What if it's a work permit? We have work permit. To provide the community.
Okay.
We have everything.
So, Mama Africa. Okay. Yes. What happened? Kati nnyonnyola abantu what happened?
What happened? Katondo mwana. Ku Winnie to applying a Winnie accidentally Winnie to get we got that what?
Visa.
On Friday. I call that boy. Kumacha got the visa for. Yes. Bali bagala muleta sent nga tebaina transport emuleta. That's how Mosh is horrible. Mosh yali agala muleta ne ticket yenyonyi ngeri very very high. Already ngabantu bambulide already they are planning to do that. Nga ticket yenyonyi just a single ticket is 900 pounds. Ne mulema. They targeted me. Katomwana nemukubira sawa nya. Nimubuza nti I have 2 flights. I have one sawa America Emirates. Nendina Rwanda Air sawa nya ezechiro.
Okay.
Which one do you want to go? Which one do you want to travel with? Nanzira munne mukazi goloza. That's how he called me. Nemuka don't ever call me mukazi gwe.
Fiki.
Yes, speaking. Don't ever call me mukazi gwe because if you cannot respect me, I called you, call me Rizik or call me Mama Africa. If you don't want, I don't care. Sili Muganda, but I understand mutukuita and mukazi gwe. That's beneathing someone. Kati nangamba to okay mami. Nja kujira kusameka sawa nyaze echiro. Nemuka that's good. So that's the same time. Winning age banatambulirako.
Mpulira.
I paid that ticket cash down 4,000. Bonna nimbasasulira nani ngantadde mwani gonza.
4,000 pounds.
Cash down. Yes. Single ticket. That's a single 4,000. Rwanda Air. I have all the receipt.
Okay. Mpulira.
Kati Winnie kutuka kungamba nga taina passport taina East African passport olaba kizibu kyempeku ekyo you are getting me
I can get you
that I don't have many are stopping at the East African the old passport
the blue one
guess what I had to call Uganda House to arrange for me that Winnie to travel
yes
that's how the stress I went to Winnie nemukubira Winnie nabanga delays kujja mu kisaawe yatuka very late nebafuna security I called somebody nisasula nebasasula 1.5 awulite kuclearinga Winnie ayitewo bano oyo mwana nkubidde simu fake nagamba ti Winnie taliiwo nemuka don't worry nga saagala mugamba Winnie problem ya Winnie awulite nemuka you clear yourself genda obeere wali kuki webalindira kati Winnie omusajja nangamba I'm going to be directing Winnie the person jaina kuyitamu banakola one step that's it ahuli ne tutambule ne Winnie nga musajja mu directing genda kuoyo genda ngoma omanyi Uganda things in Uganda when you have money everything works omwana Winnie ne tumuyisaawo n'ayitawo Uhulide ne bamu clearing and twasasula 1.5 gonza sola kikugamba. Before I left Uganda, Gonza yangamba we want our money back. Namuwerereza wo 10 million we direct. Era Gonza ayinza kubeera my witness. I paid that. Kati omwana we yatuuka wano delay But I have someone here Ithro. Yali agenda na back clearing it out within few seconds. Owulidde. Ng'ayagala just their what? Their pass. Ne balema ku communicating era we waited and waited. So that was okay.
Okay.
Abaana abo hotel je nabateekamu 5-star. Tewali wano bonna abo bonna ba promoter. None of them have ever put them in a 5-star. Tebasulanga ko mu 5-star.
Okay.
They don't even know what 5-star is. Oyo mwana yakese mu hotel ye nga tasobola kozesa ka card. That card nga tabimanyi era nze namuyigiriza nga you use it like this, you do like this.
Mwana ki?
Era na fake for maker. Era walabi a room ye nga ali ku that side of pent room. Nga there's water. My wharf is connected with water. Nga mazzi alaba. You know?
Yeah.
So, we need a room here. They make them share a room. Everyone was in their room. Do you know how much I was paying per room?
No.
£400 per night.
£400 per night.
Per night. That's how much Soko Tekeko Uganda.
That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money.
Exactly. I have the receipt. Winnie Yalimu private room here. Fikimu private room here. Negonza. Nebangamba, they don't want to eat hotel food. Guess what? Hotel foods are very expensive than even outsider. Nalina Adija, omanya Adija.
Adija mumanyi.
Adija yavuga motoka mwana oyo ng'akoye tubadde mu kisawe kuva basawa mukaaga nze n'Adija kubakima. Owulidde? Adija n'avuga era Jobs Link yamuwa address where to get African food.
Yeah.
Guess what? Kulaba nti abayimbi bajooga. Era baamala ne balya n'emmere y'abazungu wano mu hotel. Owulidde? Era ne balya n'ey'abaddugavu gye baagala. I didn't care about that. Kati oyo omwana bwe yamaze kulya, he got a phone call from Mosh. Owulidde? Atulese that was saawa 12. Owulidde? Kati ffe ne tusigalawo nze ne Winnie, ne tusigalawo naani? Ne Gonza. Kati gundi omwana oyo n'abula simu ye n'agijjako.
Ani?
Owulidde? Fix a maker.
N'abula okuva wa mu hoteri.
Mu hoteli. This is hotel. Owulidde? Kati bambi Winnie, kati nga omanyi bono this small those gay boys friends be ne bankubira ne baka Winnie gyali ne mbaweereza address. Owulidde? Ne bajja ne makeup ani agenda bakola make bono obwo bwala mbamanyi because bakolako ku Lydia Jasmine mu bamanyi.
Okay.
Owulidde? Kati bo ne bagenda mu room yaabwe ne batuleka nze ne Gonza. I stayed in a hotel nze ne Gonza nga tukuba olwali. You know nga Gonza was so happy. Wow, this place you put us bichi. Naye nangamba okimanyi Winnie ayina problem yayagala nnyo smoking weed. Owulidde?
Otyo?
Ne mugamba ti there's one thing. This is a 5-star hotel. Wali wakava America si kyekyo sobola kunywera mu nsi eno yonna babanninga smoking even cigarette you cannot smoke.
Okay. Yeah.
Okiwulidde? Kati omwana ne mugamba yes. Okay, ayagala some weed. I called. Oyo guy gwe badde bavuma nti kintu simanyi tamanyi oyo muvubuka ali DJ. One of the best top DJ in what? In London. Mukwano gwange. DJ Extender. Owulidde? Ni mukubira simu. Omanyi all DJs they smoke weed.
Yeah.
Ne my artist is here.
Okay.
And he likes weed.
Yeah.
Owulidde?
Yeah.
And baagala mbayabye. Nze nabadde nabasirikiridde. Now they want the truth. Owulidde? Omwana naga you want weed? Nemuka yes. Agala omuti ena supplying ono mwana weed enemukole bubi because here we have several type of class of weed.
Ba supplying ani Winnie Nwagi?
Yes. Namuletera. Kati namugamba you know we cannot smoke here. Owulidde? Let's go and smoke outside. Guess what? Winnie n'obunakyalo bwe na smoking mu hotel. Do you know how much it cost me to pay for that bill? You don't know.
I don't know.
They charge my card. Of course, when you commit a crime, but if you get booking a hotel, you leave your card there. Oreka card. Any mistake, you cause onye damazi mugundi mu minibar, bacharginga. You eat food, bacharginga. You do any crime, bacharginga.
Yeah.
So never breaking all that, never charging my card.
Yeah.
Now you're getting me.
I'm getting you.
Kati. Yes, kati ninkubira Africa sawa 2 z'ekiro nga njagala we sort ourselves money. Last time Grenade ne Lydia Jasmine we bajja. Oyo abo tebakola na sound check ebyo musiru bya yeyogeza nti tukoze sound check. There was no sound check. basigala mu hotel bajja bagenda obugenzi kuyimba. They just went to start performing. There was no
sound check.
Sound check. So we stayed with them up to 10. I called the boy. I have the text message. I called the boy. The boy's phone was off. Gonza, I asked Gonza because munanga buy battery yali running low. That's why Gonza badali nange wano. I cannot sisobola kugenda mu hotel yabe kubalemesa.
Okay.
Nimuga tubeere wano mu lobby nga while we are nga I'm charging my phone, we are talking. Nga nebo anyo omwenge gwe. Owulidde ye nga talina kyagira gwo kunyumya omusambodi. Nga mulaga nimuga, you know what? There's another hotel called North Hotel. Nenga waliwo there's a club, it's called Bokin. Bokin is one of the best club on London. Nimuga, you guys. You know what? If anything goes well, to so again come with that club, we spend some time.
Yeah.
Kati munange ngaba neyo no mwana tachi me sente ze balance we because last time already ngamba money give me my balance. I gave the guy balance. Era ngamba send my money where to Uganda na cause video I need to pay.
But fiki yatuko kuyimba ngati munamuwa balance wa 2,000 pounds.
Mwana yatuka sawa Faruk. Olabo yo mwana yatuka sawa munana. Abantu nga bamaze kuyomba kuba simu. I wish you are here. Nandi kulaze simu je twakuba. Abantu ne bangamba nimwete musasula abantu. I had to show abantu what? Receipt. People know me in Mama Africa. We are tetuli babbi. Money is not an issue for us. Owulide? Kati oyo mwana dollar. That's the money we spend for cleaning Mama Africa. Why would I refuse to give that boy that money?
But when the guy reached at the venue, you said you're going to give him $. Then you've bargained in pounds.
We are in dollars. Omwana oyo olaba mosi ya mutekako. Omwana yakkiriza nga ayagala $3,000. Owulide? Yagamba ayagala $3,000. Owulide? Kati namuwako $1,000 Uganda. Owulide? Newe yatuukawo. Yandibadde the first thing lwaki obula mugundi musini. Wandibadde ogamba munange kati natuuse. Give me my outstanding balance. Owulide? Omwana yatubulako. Yakomawo saa mukaaga nantextinga. He texted me nangamba where's my balance. And then in Nimugamba, you come to the venue, we sort you out. Saa mukaaga. That's when ebidongo webitandika. Sekecho.
Bwekiri.
I ran jaku screenshotting that text message ojakula anti Sam Kago when I'm saying never come and then we sort you out. Tubalinze. Winnie mbunata andika ye agamba yampa excuse mu Winnie yamuluisa nga Winnie tayagala kola ki kuvao mu hotel. Kati kubuza Gonza lwaki Winnie yali avudde Winnie nga Gonza ngamba tifika alimba fiki yabadde aganye mbote banamuwa balance we nimuga is not about namuweereza text message nimuga you come and get your money Owulide?
Mpulira.
Yes. Kati we batukolode lwakuba bajjanga bamesinze they plan to mess our show bajjanga abaze ku appearinga Owulide? Kati omwana we batuuka Winnie n'atuuka nga Winnie tayagala ku performinga kati Winnie gwe nasasula sente lwaki yali aganye ku performinga let me ask you.
But omugamba nti Winnie taya performinga but somebody said you're performing almost 1 hour.
No, Winnie yayingira sawa 30 minutes. Owulide? Tuyina video nja kuweereza videos iPhone terimba. Ekulaga time omuntu gyayingiddemu. I have the pictures. Owulide? I'll just tap the picture nkulaga time gyayingiddemu. iPhone talimba. iPhone akulaga time gyoyingidde w'okubya ebifaananyi. Owulide?
Kati Mama Africa n'ekirala bagamba nti waba bookinga bano Saturday bali balina okuyimba ku Saturday ate you booked a flight on Sunday. Nga tekikola you cannot book somebody non-booking and performing on Saturday na traveling on Sunday. It is hectic.
Naba booking already ngamaze kumanya nti they are going to perform somewhere else.
Okay.
Nayogera nabo ne agent waabwe because they couldn't even listen to me. Olaba omuntu bw'batasobola na kukuwuliriza aze mu venue sawa 8 abantu ne bakuvuma. Do you really expect me to be nice to you?
No.
You tell me, I've lost 20 million. Kati gwe Winnie, ekyamuganyisa kujja sawa mukaaga kiki. Winnie yekai akuba that place, abantu ne banyumirwa. Sikekyo. naye omuntu gwe nasasudde 20 million nange mbuulira kituufu Faruku bw'oba otya Katonda oli musajja musiraamu naye ndi mukazi musiraamu owulidde nkuwadde 20 million osobola kuyimbira 20 minutes thank you owulidde kati Winnie naye nabuuza why Winnie is not here omwana oba ayogera ajje wali nga naye bonna bajja saa 8 omanyi ayajjayo fiiki olaba Moshi yeeyogeza nti nze namwegayirira no olaba DJ Gideon DJ Gidi muna Uganda Gidi is our DJ Mama Africa DJ yabaddewo kati najja nambuuza what's wrong Mama Africa ne mukamu nange ono mwana olabi aganye kukola ki kujja era Gideon asobola kugamba nti has worked for us for we haven't failed to pay him money ono mukozi waffe yena tewali gwe tutasasula kati Gideon n'agamba nti ono gwe wakasasula bazeleti people have abused us they think they are not here Gideon yagenda yo Gideon went there and Gideon said to him I was there Gambe let me tell you Fig Famega if you don't get out of this car I know tomorrow you're going to perform if I see your face performing anyhow I'm going to pick you myself and put you to police.
So kati Mama Africa chenjagala otegeera.
Gideon namujayo namutwala mu stage. Kati we awulidde ekyo police n'avaawo it's not much, it's not me, it's not body.
So kati kitegeeza
let me tell you Nemuga I'm going to give you 1,000 ngenda kuwa 500 yoka because you're only going to perform for 20 minutes but gobe muki mu hall. Kati nakkiriza ya performing nyimba 3 zokka 3 ne ba closing already ba planning abantu bona badde abaze manyi all my friends owulidde abadde babukinze through me but bebansirikire nanga nti we are sorry
anti Fiki agamba you didn't give him the balance kyekyali kimuganye
500 yayimba for 20 minutes then ngenda kumuwa sentence naye omwana yagana kujja
okay kakati
omwana yagana kujja
kati mama ekirala ekya tiketi okumissinga flight zaabwe who's responsible because abalala bagamba
olaba fena we travel these are gigs you are an artist you don't need to sleep lwaki bavaawo ne bagenda ne performing lwaki tebasula mu hotel
if they were tired
yes lwaki tebasula mu hotel was paid up to Monday
okay
lwaki tebasula mu hotel yes naye lwaki bavaawo Fikti yakomawo na mu hotel by the way Fikti yakomawo mu hotel buli omu akimanyi yajja n'apikinga bintu bye n'adduka mu hotel that was a deserting accommodation so these are the facts coming from the horse's mouth Fikti yakoma era Moshi yajja n'amukima owulidde kugira bwetti ng'akola live video ng'abalanga shoyaudi Shelan Grill mu Snapchat yaabwe
so kati who is responsible for their tickets because if they miss their flights kati ani ayina obbasasulira
I paid for their flight no Farouk the video buli omu namugamba have your flight here nyonyi yabwe yali ya saawa 4 lwakwe yali flexible if they miss the one they can go with the Emirates the last Emirate one
ne bagamba nti wabateeka ku nnyonyi ya 20 hours ate like that route eyo route gye wabateekako it is very hard
ennyonyi weera osobola giraba mukwano ennyonyi badde batuuka Dubai they will rest for 1.5 hour that's change ne bayingira ku ye Uganda that was it there was no delay there was nothing delay ya 1 hour kuchusa kuva mu terminal noyingira mu another terminal
kati kitegeeza ogenda bagulira tickets endala after missing the other flights
no we are done the next time I'm going to hear from them from my lawyer
what
I'm going to kulaba anti Moshi yabagambye omanyi Moshi yabagambye omukazi talina kyagenda bakola you guys mukole kye mwagala bwetu Moshi babagambye guess what I'm a taxpayers woman I pay my tax here tewali omungereza kya respecting nga taxpayers Moshi tasasulangako omusolo Moshi talina mirimo
so what are you going to do
But what I'm going to do now, and kid the Swangz, and I've been on Kubuli because I'm sick of seeing all this rubbish. Now, and kid the Swangz and Bawade up to Monday to write back to me. But if I want to kid anything, then my lawyer, I have a commercial lawyer already. You're drafting there. I give them chance to explain why this happened.
So what are you going to do? Because I want to wait. I go together. What are you going to do?
Because what I'm going to do, cutting Jakusaba home office, because I hold my license, until Swansea Avenue pay my money, they should make them as a defaulter. Credit. You don't get any credit card anymore.
Okay.
So all the artists under Swansea not to get any visa coming here until I get paid.
What?
I'll work for that. Yes. This is coming from me, and I've already drafted that, and I've already confirmed it. I've already sent my email to home office. Until I get paid all my expenses. Winnie, alina kumanya to win alinga Coca-Cola. Buli wa yingira etunda. You don't need to hold a what? A microphone. Winnie is a commercial brand. You don't need a micro. You don't need kuyimba. You are commercial.
So which means the Swangz temukirizangako kuyimbira walala apart from your event. Is that what you mean?
Thank you. That's what we agreed. That's why I paid ticket ya Gonza. The Gonza bada agenda kunyimbira mu kivulo. Lwaki nagisasula.
So you want Swangz to pay back? What do you want?
Everything, all my loss, you hear me?
I can hear you.
I lost £50,000. I want 65,000.
From who?
Swansea.
From Swangz Avenue.
Yes, Fiki, home office yegenda kudealinga na Iraq boy. That's a street boy. See now, so anakuogana na ye. Home office yeja kuogana na ye.
What?
Will never come back in this country again. But Winnie, she's a brand. And even Winnie will never come back again for another 10 years. If you know, most be Amulimbie to come back, Amulimbie. That one is a long story.
Is there a room to negotiate with you? Because
that's how
now banning somebody from UK is a big impact, man.
No, we need a chachimanyi. Cha happening in Weasel and radio. This thing has happened before. It's not me. I'm going to start. Chameleon, sorry, I'm dragging Chameleon to this. Abantu about they think we are soft. Na later Chameleon, they did the same. Moshi yabba muyimbi wang. Yatuara Chameleon. Mosh. Olama moshi. Yabba Chameleon. Then he take Chameleon to Miss Andaman. Hold it. Na yimba yumu birthday. I lost money. Hold it.
Yeah.
Yes. Nebasa Sula Chameleon 3,000. I refused to ban Chameleon. I didn't want to be the woman to ban Chameleon. Abantu wana nebangamu banning. One thing. I'm not just saying that. Chameleon is kind of a friend. Chameleon apologizing. Chameleon apologized for the mistake.
Okay.
Chameleon yajja waka ku Mama Africa ne yetonda.
So you want Winnie Nwagi and Fik Famaica to apologize? What do you want?
Sagala Winnie yamvumye before kutambula nga agenda mu kisawo. That's the word. Nga tuvuma. Mu hotel. Yes. Kati me, I don't have any mercy with those two.
What?
Kati right now, Fik Famaica, akola alanga show endala, mumai permit. Permit ya weddewo. Owulite. Agenda kuletera omusajja oli nanyini smate. Agenda muletera problem. Making, olaba ne shedi katika nkubulire. Mosha chimanyi toyo mwana yakoze uwe nga taina permit. Owulite. Kati oyo moshi nze shedi sigana nakuulya what I'm going to do with them. Those one pena tulibangereza. There's somehow how we are going to catch up. Tofa sijana kuulya that topic. I went to school. That's why I went to school.
So you want Swangz is a solid damages.
That is just dealing with Ugandan. When I'm done with Uganda, ngenda kutandika neba nabaloza until they are stepping on my shoes. I'm a woman, but I'm a warrior. Guess what? I'm from Tororo. I'm Jaluo. Olabye. We don't care.
What?
Yes, when you step on me, I step on you. Hold it. ate oba Swangz gonza abadde amaze kusharinga things ya Winnie nga tumaze kwogera bulungi naga you know what Mama Africa fine leka tuweemu time at least tugende n'ennyonyi ya kumakya kati nga already I was calling my airline people agent bamuteeke kumakya umuleka akeere kumakya owulidde nga bona ngenda kibakolera ekyo what tipped me out was when I saw them performing and this one dancing.
Okay.
I just said to them.
So for you,
okay.
You're not dealing with the artist as Winnie. You're dealing with the Swangz Avenue because your contract is in between you and Swangz or you and Winnie Nwagi.
No, Winnie sitting na Winnie na kola contract ne Swangz kati gwenjagala. Right now I'm fighting Swangz.
Okay.
Let them get ready for my money. Otherwise we are in war.
All right. Thank you so much.
All artists abali under Swangz. Ngenda kuba recording. I forward it to Home Office. I've given them 1 week.
Okay.
They'll make them a defaulter.
All right. Thank you.
Until they pay back money. Kati ye ono mwana Home Office yegenda kumanya kye banaamukolera. Already she has already committed a lot of crime already. Practiced a lot of it. Yayimbye yakuta omuzindalo. Right now agenda kuyimba wako club ya nti Wednesday night. Abaana bamwe lwaki temubabulira Farouk. N'obulira omwana nti bw'oba oli abroad. You are under someone's sponsorship. Lwaki tomubulira Farouk?
I'm still not sure about that.
Mpulira.
Omanyi nti when somebody akuweereza invite kati baba nkukyaziza wange n'odda mu my main guest room, my bedroom n'otandika gibuukabuukamu. Are you a guest?
You're not a guest.
Thank you. That's exactly what they are doing.
Okay. Kale, thank you so much, Mama Africa.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
God bless you. Stay cool.
You too.
All right.